So once you take off the skin, you're going to want to cut it in half. And there's two main ways you can cut an onion. So if you're doing like a rough dice in a salad or something like that, you're going to want to start by scoring it down the middle. And you don't want to cut it all the way through, just so you can keep it intact. And then you're going to want to do some slices. And as well, you don't want to cut it all the way through, just to hold the onion together. And then you can just slice all the way down. And this works to get some great small cubes so that you don't have huge bites of onion in a salad. Another way you can cut your onion is just by taking smaller slices. So what you're going to want to do is just make small little slices along the onion. And this is much better for in a sandwich or whatever you really want. This is another onion that I've just peeled, but when using fresh produce, I find it really important to use the entire onion. And so when you can cut the tops into smaller slices for garnish, but they also do taste delicious and just like a normal onion or green onion. And another option for cutting your onions is you can just change the direction that you're cutting the onion. So if I want slices like this, I can also make them straight for a little bit of a different style.